Footage of the destruction by means of FPV drones and anti-tank guided missile defense systems of an armored column of Russovans that tried to attack Ukrainian positions in the Novomykhailivka area. Ukrainian drone cameras captured a close-quarters battle between two Cold War machines at the end of the Cold War. The Ukrainian M2A2 Odds Bradley Infantry Fighting Vehicle, IFV, and the Soviet BMP Fighting Vehicle. The brigade's clip also includes first-person view, FPV, footage of a kamikaze drone attack on the BMP, which may be the same as that seen in the video. Ukrainian defenders managed to repel 7x attacks around Sinkivka, Kharkiv region. In this area, Russian troops made efforts to penetrate Ukrainian defenses. Ukrainian soldiers from the Spartan National Guard Brigade destroyed two Russian tanks, T-72 and T-55, with an FPV drone. The enemy tried to fire at the positions of the Ukrainian military from tanks, but the FPV drones of the Spartan Brigade destroyed their plans. In the final seconds of the recording, repeated small explosions can be seen occurring in the BMP's hull due to a combination of cluster bombs and 25mm shell attacks. Russian troops launched airstrikes in the Serebryanski forestry area, Luhansk region, and in the vicinity of Yapolivka, Ryhorivka, Donetsk region. Ukrainian forces dropped US-supplied DPICM cluster munitions on the lightly armored Russian BTR-80s carrying the assaulting infantry in the rear of the column. Destruction of a Russian tank, possibly AT-80BV, near the village Vesel, Donetsk region. Ukrainian defenders managed to repel 5x Russian attacks near Novomykhailivka, Stepov, Avdiivka, and 9x more attacks south of Shavern, Pervomysky and Nevelzyky, Donetsk region. In that area, Russian forces made unsuccessful attempts to penetrate Ukrainian defenses.